Hey, what's good? Prashil here, and today I'm super excited to be doing the unboxing of the iPhone 14 Pro in the new deep purple color. So let's get straight into it. Now, looking just at the box, you can already see the new iPhone 14 Pro with the dynamic island cutout, which is basically just a new fancy notch design. On the side here, iPhone logo. Same on this side. And yeah, it's pretty stock standard on the box. No charging brick, you already know what it is. Let's pull these little tabs here and get straight into it. And there you have it. The new iPhone 14 Pro in the deep purple color. And I gotta say, it looks pretty damn spectacular. And in the box, you get your charging cable with some paperwork. Let's peel this back and turn it on. I gotta say, it honestly feels a lot lighter than the previous Pro models. I can actually remember my 12 Pro feeling a lot heavier than this. So yeah, I really like that. But I gotta say, the dynamic island notch is kind of sick. I really dig it. I gotta say, the camera system also looks nice and beefy here. Definitely excited to test out the camera system, especially now that it's got that bump up in spec with the 48 megapixel main sensor. And I gotta say, it does kind of protrude out from the body of the iPhone, but I guess that's the price to pay for that bump up in spec. And you've got the hello setup sign here. You've got your stainless steel bezels, which are still fingerprint magnets, but the nice matte finish on the back definitely will help hide fingerprints, but it's still as slippery as ever. So yeah, I gotta admit, my first impressions of this new iPhone 14 Pro is that it actually, while feeling premium in the hand, is actually quite light, which I really like about this new iPhone. And I really dig the color. Can't wait to test out the camera system and that new dynamic island that everyone's been raving about. I'm gonna set that side down here. And just as a little bonus, I'm going to be unboxing the Spigen iPhone 14 Pro Liquid Crystal Case. So we'll see how that goes on the phone. So that's pretty much it, with a lens and screen cleaning wipe, which is nice, as well as an instruction manual on how to make it MagSafe compatible. Yeah, this is pretty much the crystal case. Let's chuck it on the phone. Yeah, it's nice and light. Definitely will protect the phone without adding too much heft, and will still allow you to admire that nice new deep purple color. So I dig it. Gotta say, these phones have definitely come a long way since the very beginning. Yeah, I'm excited to test this one out. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my review, and I'll catch you in the next one.